Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick review, we will be taking a look at the Shark Carpet Expert review. So whether you should purchase it or not, this is what we will be finding out in this video. So as you can see over here that currently I'm on Amazon.com and this particular product received 4.5 stars rating and around 1500 people have rated on Amazon. So you can see for yourself that around 75% people gave it 5-star rating and 13% gave it 4-star rating, which in my opinion is amazing. If we talk about the pricing, so it comes at around $270, and if you want to know more about its feature, then you can even read it in this section. So here if you click on the ratings tab, you will be landed in this section where you can basically read the reviews, what people are saying about it, why they are liking this product, and then you can make an informed decision whether you want to purchase it or not. Second thing that you can do is you can simply go to Reddit, and over here you can just read the reviews, what people are saying about it. So this person is saying, I just got it and I think it's okay, but I had to fill the water bank 3 times and the dirty water bank was only a 1/4 full. I think it's a sign that it's not suctioning well. Thoughts? Do you recall how often you had to dump your dirty water bin? So you can even come to Reddit and ask the question, and when you see the response, then you can make up your mind whether you want to purchase it or not. I will also put its link down in the description for your clear understanding of the product. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.